Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to explain how to redeem a Spotify premium code. You might have purchased a Spotify premium card or received one as a gift. Redeeming it allows you to access Spotify premium features on your account. You cannot redeem the code within the Spotify application. So instead, you need to use a web browser. So go ahead and launch any web browser you prefer. Then go to the search bar in the top and search for spotify.com/redeem. Hit enter on your keyboard and you'll be taken to the redeem code page. Then you can enter your premium code in this box right here. Then select continue, which is highlighted in green color, and you'll be done. Here in this box, you can enter the PIN from the back of your gift card or the code from your in-store receipt. And after entering the code, click on continue to redeem it and add Spotify Premium to your account. Now you can go ahead and open your app and enjoy the premium membership on your account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.